Good morning from day 2 here on the Radiance of the Seas. After surprising my mom with an Alaska cruise last Christmas,
She got her Alaskan cruise.
Oh,
Really?
yeah.
By myself.
No, with me.
yesterday we finally boarded. Bye!
Bye. Have fun.
Oh, very excited. And the novels. Oh, nice.
We're kicking off our trip with a full sailing day as we make our way from Seward all the way to Juneau. So I thought it'd be the perfect time to give you guys a full ship tour. After breakfast, we've made our way to deck 2, where there's a medical station, a couple of staterooms, and that's actually the deck where we get on and off the boat for our port days. I can't exactly figure out how to get to the medical station, so we're going to skip ahead to deck 3. Deck 3 just also happens to be where our stateroom is, so we're going to give you a quick tour of that. Good morning! This is our room. And my mom.
Hi, good morning.
We got an ocean view room, so we have a window. We split our bed, which I recommend because you actually have a lot more space in the middle here than when you have a queen size bed there.
In Lake Bed Street. Take a picture.
We have our little nightstands, a phone,
Hello. Ha 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 ha.
lights on the side, our pretty window, which to be honest could use a bit of a cleaning, our TV, vanity and desk,
Refrigerator. There's nothing in there.
lots of storage space in here. I could fit my suitcase at the bottom, lots of clothes and hangers. There's a shoe closet on that side, and our bathroom. I will say the shower is a bit small. You can bump into all 4 sides at the same time. There's some storage in here. Forgot to mention the big couch.
Oh, yeah, we put so many stuff up in the couch.
Deck 4 is mainly staterooms, but there is the Stateroom lounge. There's a little bar, a couple of guest services in the area. Turns out they're actually doing a dance class here right now, so mom made us stop.
Good morning, how are you today?
Alright, that was a blast. We've now made our way to deck 5, which is also like the main street of the ship. It's the first area you can come outside. They have a bunch of shops. You can buy jewelry or expensive bottles of liquor, any souvenirs you want. They also have the art gallery on this deck and the photo gallery where you can order or purchase any of the photos you've had taken. And they have 2 of the bigger amenities, I guess you would call them, here on board. The first is the Aurora Theater. This is where they have all of the nightly shows and all of the seminars or talks that they're doing throughout the day. Turns out there is also a boardroom here, but there's a meeting in progress. Deck 5 has the Cascades Dining Lounge. This is usually where we have dinner, and it actually connects down to the 4th floor. This is the classic fancy dinner that you see with an appetizer, main course, dessert, bread rolls. This is one of the nicer free options and places to eat here on board. I almost forgot to mention, here on Deck 5 they also have cafe latte dudes. So I got myself a coffee. I figured it'd help me finish the rest of this tour. Quick little interruption from the future here. We are currently at Hubbard Glacier, and apparently we missed the most important thing on Deck 5, which is the helipad.
Trying to see the sea lion over there. Hubbard Glacier. The biggest glacier in North America. That's what I heard.
Which brings us to Deck 6. The Aurora Theater actually connects to Deck 6 also.
Or your hotel.
So we're gonna continue making our way all the way across the boat. Alright, behind me you can see the cinema here on board. They are showing a few movies today. We might have to try to catch one later.
Do you like this thing?
But right now it's completely empty. Right next to the cinema is the Quillen Compass. It's a nice little hidden bar. It's a bit quieter. They have some live music sometimes, and it's a great spot to come if you want to just watch the game. And on the other side of it is the casino. They have slots, they have tables. Mom and I actually went in there last night and won $10, so pretty exciting. Next, we have the Schooner Bar. In the Schooner Bar, they have tons of trivia games. You can just hang out if you want. You can also find the entrances to 2 of the extra restaurants on board. There's Chops Grill and Giovanni's Pizza. And if you continue into the Colony Club, you can find another bar lounge area. It has pool tables. They have a lot of games here like bingo and a Family Feud type of game. There's also some great lounge chairs looking out into the ocean. However, they did tell us the cheapest option for bingo was $50, so we're gonna skip that. The best part is that decks 7, 8, 9, and 10, they're all rooms, so we get to skip all the way to deck 11. On the Radiance of the Seas, deck 11 has the most important place you're going to want to know about, the Windjammer. This is the gigantic buffet where we've been eating breakfast and lunch. On the complete other side is the Izumi Sushi restaurant, which is extra. And then the outside seating is Rita's Cantina. Has some of the best views. I love to sit out there. That's where we had our breakfast this morning. And now to head outside. The outside of deck 11 is where all of the fun things begin. We have the main outdoor pool, the pool bar, we've got ping pong.
It's fun, but I lost.
And of course, the solarium. This is the indoor 18+ pool area. They also have a bar in there, and on the other side of it, they have the spa, which includes a hair salon, massages, pretty much anything you can think of. They also have Tyler's favorite place.
Do you know my favorite place? This last night, very late night, we came here. We got a warm pizza, coffee, cookie, and sweet. It was a good spot. We need to come back tonight again.
Welcome to deck 12. We've got lots of fun things here too. If you come up straight from the pool, we have another sky bar, we have the walking track, we have shuffleboard. Right above the spa, we have the fitness center. And on the other end of the ship, we have the entire kids zone. They've got the kids slide, which I'm a little bit jealous of. They've got the sports court. They're currently playing pickleball. Yesterday, someone played basketball. If you keep going to the very back of the boat, they've got some nice lounge chairs here. It's really nice and quiet and secluded and has some stunning views. They also have one more restaurant here. Turns out they also have an arcade here on board. They do technically have a deck 13. It's getting pretty windy out here, but it essentially consists of mini golf. 아이고. Oh. 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 Who won?
엄마가 one score 더.
Good game.
So one just shot ahead.
You're the winner. And rock climbing. Do you want to go rock climbing?
No, I don't think so. Excuse me.
Okay, you hold here, I will do the rest.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Ready? I'm nervous now.
Good job. 이제 똑바로 서.
나 못해. 정말 못해.
이거 해봐.
어? 시간이 하도 뻔하고 너?
그냥 점프해 엄마. 야 점프해.
야, 내 거.
야.
나 내 거도 못해. 잠깐만. 있어. I just stuck. Second step. The Viking Crown Lounge is the perfect classical place to go enjoy some views from the inside so you don't get cold.
And that just happens to be the last stop on our tour today. We've made it back to our room here on the 3rd floor. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in Juneau. Bye.
See you at Juneau. Bye. The ship is moving. Is it an elephant? What's that?
I think it's a...
So cute.
Thank you.